What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video I'm just gonna explain to you that it's so important to build a personal brand and you gotta stop being afraid to post on social media, because honestly building a personal brand and posting on social media can change your life, and everything that you do will become so much easier when you have a personal brand. So the three main reasons why people are afraid to build a personal brand is they are afraid of people's opinions. They are scared of what other people might say or think about them when they start posting their first set of videos. Another reason is that they are perfectionists. They want to do everything that they do perfectly, but with social media that's just very hard to do, and it's very scary to post something that's not perfect, but you know you gotta post it anyways. Even these YouTube videos, like this is probably my fourth video ever, and I know that they are not perfect, but I know that it's important for me to post these videos to provide value to you, because at the end of the day it's more important for me to provide you guys with value rather than a perfect YouTube video. And the third reason is people are afraid that they will come off as a fraud, or that they will come off as somebody that they're not. They are trying to be an expert at something, but it simply didn't work out, and they are afraid that that might be the outcome. But in this video I'm going to tell you how you can overcome these fears, and that just simply you have to start posting on social media, because it will actually change your life for the better. So let's get into it. How can we overcome the first problem, which is being afraid of what other people might think of you? And the first thing that you can do in order to change this fear is shift your focus. Shift your focus to providing value to the people that might benefit from your personal brand, rather than focusing on what other people might say or think about you, because it's way more important, as I said, to provide the people with value rather than worrying about what other people might think of you. At the end of the day, it's your life and you can do whatever you want with your life. And if you desire to build a personal brand, then that's something that you should do, because at some point you're gonna be 80 years old or 90 years old and you're about to die, and then you will think, damn, I wish I started that personal brand in 2024. So that being said, stop worrying about what other people think and focus on providing the value. Another thing that will make it easier for you to break this fear and break the ice is start small. Start posting your first video, or maybe 3 videos a week, before building it up to multiple videos a week or a day. You see, starting off small will be easier for you. There's not much pressure on you when you start small. If you say I'm gonna post 3 videos a week, it's very easy to create those 3 videos. But if you're just getting started and you're saying, oh shit, I'm gonna post 5 videos a day, it's simply so much harder for you, and there will be so much resistance for you to build that personal brand. So start small, start by posting 3 or 2 videos a week, and just see if you like it in general. If you don't like it, you can always private the account and delete the videos, and people will forget about it. And number 3 that you can do in order to overcome the fear of what other people might think of you is embrace feedback. Listen to what the people are commenting on your videos, and rather than like seeing it as hate or as something negative, turn it into something positive. Use it as feedback, implement it into your next video. Whenever somebody says, hey, the lighting was kind of shitty on your video, don't go and, oh, you suck, you don't even have a social media. No, think about it. Was my lighting actually that bad on my video? And if the answer is yes, make sure it will be better on their next video, because especially when someone sees that you actually listen to their feedback, they're gonna like that and they're gonna start following you because they trust you. So make sure to listen to feedback and see it as something positive rather than something negative. The second fear that most people have is imposter syndrome. And how can we overcome this problem basically? Well, it's pretty simple. Acknowledge achievements, track your views, track your followers, see what's doing well, because if you keep track of this, you can actually see that what you've been doing is actually working. Even for me, I have an album on my iPhone, and it simply just has screenshots of me hitting a certain amount of followers, me getting a viral video, me getting crazy results for my clients. This way, whenever I feel like I don't know what I'm doing, I have proof of that what I'm doing is actually working, and I actually know what I'm doing. This way you'll know better that you are the expert at what you do. So keep track of what you're doing, keep track of your results, because this will make it easier for you to keep on posting and keep on building your personal brand. Another thing you can do to overcome imposter syndrome is set realistic goals. If you're just getting started with social media, you're not gonna say I want 1 million followers in a week, because that's very, very hard for you to get to. A realistic goal might be getting my 5k followers within the first month of posting. You see, this is pretty easy to hit, but on the other hand, it's also a little bit competitive, especially if you're completely new to social media, and you want to make sure that the goals are realistic, but that they are competitive as well, because if they're not competitive and it's easy to reach, then getting like boring. You really want to make it like a game for yourself, like, ooh, I hit 10k, now I want to hit 15k, when I hit 15k I want to hit 20k. So keep the goals competitive and set goals for yourself, because that will make things more fun in general too. Besides that, you can also get help from other people or an agency. You can get a mentor or coach, or work with a content agency that's helping you put out better content than you're used to. You see, this might cost a little bit of money, but it can get you to your goals quicker. And in my opinion, building your personal brand as quick as possible is very important, because eventually everything will become so much easier. Your life, business and personal wise will become so much easier when you have this personal brand. So if you have the budget for it, I would highly recommend getting help from a coach, mentor or an agency, just to speed up the process a little bit. If this is something that you're interested in and you want help with social media in general, feel free to send me a DM on Instagram with any questions you have. Maybe I can help you out post your first video or grow your social media quicker if you already have one. And the third one, perfectionism. How do we overcome perfectionism? Well, it's pretty simple. You just set a deadline. You see, even this YouTube video, I put in my calendar today that I was gonna film it, and I have to film it within the 2 hours that I set for this. Rather than trying to film a video over and over and over again, just set a filming day and a posting day, and no matter what happens, you're gonna film the video and you're gonna post it on the day that you decided to post it on. A deadline is way more important than perfectionism, especially when you're beginning. It's very hard for you to post a perfect video when you're new to filming, camera, lighting, microphones. It's just not gonna happen. So stop worrying about being perfect and start doing and start posting. Another thing on how to overcome perfectionism is learning from your mistakes. Again, if somebody comments about your light or your mic not working in a video, accept the fact, try to be better every single video. Watch your own videos, see, oh, I don't really like this about my video, or I'm speaking way too fast, something that I probably do right now. I'm gonna watch my own videos over and over and over again to see where can I improve. And then I'm gonna make small changes in order to improve the videos, rather than trying to be perfect right from the beginning. Because it's simply so hard to make a perfect video when you're just getting started. So stop worrying about being perfect at the beginning. Learn from your mistakes and implement what you learned from the mistakes in your next video. In addition, stop worrying about other people on social media. Building a personal brand, building a social media is all about being authentic and being yourself. You can't just go ahead and copy Iman Gadzhi or Alex Hormozi, because it's simply not you. Tell your own story, follow your own path, and post your own story online. Because at the end of the day, that's what people want to see. They want to follow you for who you are and not for who you're trying to be. That being said, I hope I broke the ice for you in this video, and I challenge you to post your first video this week. If you made it, if you posted it, make sure to send it over to me in DMs or tag me or whatever, and I can give you some feedback. Trust me, building a personal brand is gonna be the best decision of your life. You can either make more money with it, meet other people, all that stuff. So start posting on social media, stop consuming, start creating. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.